Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming by. If you're new, welcome. And if you're one of my subscribers, I'm so glad you're here. So it's hot. It was a crazy hot weekend. It doesn't matter. FabFitFun is dragging us into fall. And I have to tell you, I'm going pretty willingly. We have today our first FabFitFun Fall Box spoiler. And I'm so excited. I have the first spoiler for the actual box for you, and I have about the first 15 spoilers that are going to be in the add-on shop. So I'll put those at the end. Before we get into it, let me give you a couple of dates. Today is the 24th. We have our first spoiler. They say the second spoiler is going to be the 29th, and the third is going to be the 30th. But let me tell you what's wrong with that in theory. I have the other dates, and if you are a select member, then add-ons will open for you on the 27th at noon. So you'll be able to see them go in and make your selection. If you're a seasonal member, that doesn't actually happen until July 30th. Also, if you are a select member, which is an annual member, customization opens on the 29th. Well, I'm an annual member. So in theory, I will be able to get in on the 29th and do my customization, which means I will at that point have all of the spoilers. So they can hold that third spoiler until the 30th, but we can in theory get it to you before then because we'll have access. I bet they didn't think that through. And if you are a seasonal member, you will have your customization open on August 1st. All of those times that I just gave you are at noon. So let's get into it. The real reason you're here, the first spoiler. Our first spoiler is a 4-way customization for the first product in our box. So the first choice you have with that customization is the plush ultra soft plaid scarf. And this is what that looks like. This plush ultra soft plaid scarf has a $75 value, and it's 26 inches by 72 inches. And this doesn't include the 3-inch fringe that's on each end of the scarf. The second choice that you will have is the Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler with an $80 value. And this is what that looks like. These 100% solid ceramic plates generate ionic far infrared heat, so it's safe and even heat while preserving moisture and protecting hair. The third choice that you will have is the Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit with an $89.99 value. Here's what it looks like. This Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit has a quick 20-minute whitening cycle. It comes with one Mobile White 16 LED light tray, 4 pen applicators with whitening gel of 3 ml each, and mobile device adapters for iOS, USB, Type-C, and micro USB. And our last option for this first customization is an Anthropologie travel yoga mat that has a $50 value. And here's what that looks like. This Anthropologie travel yoga mat is 24 by 68 inches, 1.5 millimeters thick, and it's PVC mixed with rubber, which is wiped to clean. It's easily foldable and travel friendly. So those are the first 4 options that we have for our first customization of our first product in the Fall FabFitFun Box. If you have any interest in joining, I have my link below. I'm going to show you now about 15 of the add-ons that are going to be in the add-on shop when it opens, either the 27th if you're select or the 30th if you're a seasonal member, if you want to stick around and see those. If not, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I do more spoilers, and I'll see you soon. If you have interest in the add-ons, I'm just going to run through them right now with little pictures and me talking over them, just so you'll have an idea of what's going to be there. This is what they look like. We have the Fujifilm Ultimate Bundle, the Dot Dash Python Tote, the Plush Fleece Lined Neck Warmer, the Craft a Brew Hefeweizen Craft Beer Kit, the Elements Truffles Turmeric Infused Dark Hot Chocolate, the Summer and Rose Pumpkin Spice Soy Wax Candle, PJ Salvage Give Love PJ Set, Sundream Coffee Aztec Blanket, and the XO Sienna Graphic Impact Mug. The Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Active Brightening Oil, the Apto Spirulina Mask. We have a Kaylin Red Snail Mask. And the T3 Featherweight Luxe 2i with 2.5-inch round brush. There's the Beautiful Moments necklace, which is by the brand Dog-Eared. And last, the Cheek and Tonic Deluxe Chrome Lowball Glasses. So thank you so much for coming by and seeing the spoiler. I'm so excited. Are you excited? I know it feels really soon to start talking about fall, but I can't help it. I love it. Soon people will be talking about pumpkin spice lattes and we'll all be losing our minds. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will let you know as soon as there are more spoilers to be had. And thank you so much for coming by, guys, and I will see you really soon. Bye.